Armost. Armost is the company's name and also the brand. Since its establishment in 2014, the company has been destined to be different. Armost explores different recycling concepts, innovative separation techniques, and solutions and recycle the waste plastics both efficiently and in an environmentally friendly way. The large amount of waste plastic produced each year will be a huge waste to the increasingly scarce non-renewable resources and exert tremendous pressure on the environment. Armost make life and environment better. The company focuses on environmentally friendly solutions to waste plastics recycling to make full use of limited resources and create circular economics benefits, effectively preventing environmental pollution so that our lives and environment will be better. Has always changed the tide of the era. Each innovation of Armost will be an industry benchmark for waste plastic recycling. As a leader in technological innovation, Armost insists on independent and original design. Based on self-dependent innovation, the company makes solutions for the key demands of the industry. Armost is the inventor of the first silicon rubber separator in China. The company factually set the standards for separating silicone rubber from plastics at home and abroad, thus starting the era of recycling mixed waste plastics on a large scale with high value. Armost is a pioneer of high-quality, high-efficiency electrostatic separators in China since its first-generation electrostatic separator was put into production. Armost has always been the industry leader in this field. Our high-voltage electrode structure has once again become the real standard in this industry. In 2015, Armost successfully developed the first high-efficiency dust removal system for electrostatic separation, named pre-treatment system, which serves as the standard device of the separation system. Our pre-treatment systems are currently serving the various situations. Armost is helping peers in the entire industry chain of waste plastic recycling to cope with challenges in recycling, separation and environment protection, and sharing the technological advantages in producing high-quality and low-cost recycled plastics. The different solutions. Armost is not just an equipment supplier, but also a core solution supplier of waste plastic recycling. It provides solutions for the entire process of recycling waste plastics, including collection, disassembly, pre-sorting, the sink flow separation system, electrostatic separation system, silicone rubber separation system, color sorting system, and granulation. Armost can develop the best solutions for its clients based on its insight into the industry and the different needs of clients. Its intelligent sorting system, specifically for mixed waste plastics, has unique technological advantages. Armost has significantly surpassed other well-known competitors in terms of performance indicators like production capacity, impurity removal rate, plastic wastage rate, product purity control, system power consumption, and system usability. Armost won the industry award of the most popular separating and sorting equipment manufacturing enterprise of the year in 2014 and 2015, and the Plastic Industry Ringer Technology Innovation Award in 2016 and 2017 in succession. Armost sorting system has obtained the CE certification and is also an enterprise whose sorting equipment truly meets the CE standard in China. For now, Armost has obtained more than 10 patents, with a large number of patent applications being handled every year. Its products have been directly or indirectly in the service of Farad, Kingfa Technology, Celom, GS, Gree, Midea, Skytech, Hisense, Chonghome, Konka, TCL, and General Motors, and many other well-known enterprises. Its clients are all over the world, with various sorting systems of equipment running in the United States, Spain, France, Belgium, Turkey, South Korea, Japan, Malaysia, Thailand, Mainland China, Taiwan, China, and Hong Kong, China. Since its establishment, Armmost has established a number of joint ventures and cooperative ventures in China, Asia, Europe, and the Americas, with its products sold worldwide. We are confident that our efforts will make Armmost a leader in the field of renewable resources. The company will not only be an excellent supplier of core equipment and solutions, but also a supplier of high-quality recycled materials. Armmost, make life and environment better.